Today I wanted to share with you a feature called Print Screen, which hopefully will come in handy for you. So I could find myself, for example, in PowerPoint watching a webinar, and the facilitator of the meeting may not have necessarily made the PowerPoint deck available. So they'll show something, and I'm using this as an example of a PowerPoint deck slide that's up on the screen that I'm interested in copying and retaining. So what I will do is go to my print screen on my keyboard and hit that. So now there's been a snapshot of my everything on my screen. I will then go over to Excel, and in the upper left-hand corner of a new workbook, do a right click and do a paste, which will drop that screen on into Excel. The only thing is that, and typically at this point I would probably print this out, but when we go to print it, as you'll see, the screenshot is not fitted to the one page in Excel. So I'll have to go in there and modify that by going to Page Setup. I'll go to Landscape, set it 1:1, hit OK, and then all of the screenshot is available. I'll also adjust the margins and make them a little bit wider to try to hopefully make the screenshot a little bit bigger. And then I can hit print to print the screen out. So one other thing related to this, and again, sometimes I'll also use this function if I'm working with somebody and training them on some particular thing like a new computer system and we don't have a manual put together on it. Then what I'll do is also make screenshots of computer screens to try to help them. So continuing with my example, the facilitator of the meeting, this webinar throws up another slide that I'm interested in copying. Again, I'll hit my print screen function. I will then go back out to Excel after hitting the print screen, go to the upper left-hand corner, left side of the mouse, click my cursor into the upper left-hand corner, and then again I will do a right click and do a paste, and then the new screen shows up. In the print preview, as you'll see here, because you've already set this up, the screenshot is shows up and can be printed readily with no problem. And you can always, again, I just clicked on the upper left-hand corner. What's really happening is here you've got two print screens stacked up on top of each other, so I can go on top of the one if in the event I want to delete it, but keep the original one, and I can hit the delete button and it gets rid of the screenshot that I last clicked on. So hopefully this helps.